Tired of being the neighborhood eyesore? Sick of your patchy, weedy lawn while everyone else shows off their perfect green carpets? Wish you could skip the endless hours of mowing and weeding, but dreading the hefty price tag of lawn care services? Say hello to Alfredo's Lawn Service, your ultimate solution for a lawn that's the envy of the block. Whether you're a busy professional or a homeowner with a packed schedule, we've got you covered. Our team of experienced lawn care experts will transform your yard into a lush, healthy paradise tailored to your unique needs and preferences. We pride ourselves on delivering top-notch services at competitive prices. From regular mowing and edging to fertilization, weed control, and aeration, we've got every aspect of lawn care covered. We understand that your wallet matters, which is why we offer flexible payment options to suit your budget. Don't let another season go by with a lackluster lawn. Invest in your property's beauty and your peace of mind with Alfredo's Lawn Service. We're committed to customer satisfaction, and our track record speaks for itself. See what our happy clients have to say about their transformed lawns. Say goodbye to lawn care worries and hello to a picture-perfect yard. Contact Alfredo's Lawn Service today for a free consultation. Let's work together to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. Call us at 916-549-5367 or visit our website at www.alfredoslawnservice.com.